Hello everyone, let's download and install Windows 11 Enterprise Evaluation in our VirtualBox machine. First step, let's go and download the evaluation copy of Windows 11 Enterprise. We're going to get started for free. We're going to download the ISO. You do have to go through here and fill out stuff. They will not send you a bunch of spam, just FYI. Let's see here, United States, teacher. I do not like giving them my phone number. I do not want them to share with anything. So I'm going to download now. Oh, country code. United States. There it is. Click download. Oh, how big is my company? I don't know. WNCC is somewhere in there. Now I have everything filled out. We want this one. English. United States. It's a big file. This is what it looks like. Yours will probably automatically start downloading. This could take a few minutes. It's actually going pretty fast here. Look at that. While that's downloading, even if you already have VirtualBox installed, we want to update to the latest version. So I'm going to go to virtualbox.org. Let's see. There it is, virtualbox.org. I want to download VirtualBox 7.0. This is the one that I want. 7.0.14 was just released not too long ago. So really there's not much to this. You download it. Double click on it, say yes, say yes, say yes, say yes, and that's it. There's really nothing to that guy. The next step. I'm going to delete the one I currently have and reinstall it. So you get rid of a virtual machine, you right click. We back up, right click, remove, delete all files, removes it. So I'm going to create a new virtual machine. I'm going to call it Windows 11. Notice how all the settings are automatically put in here. Click Next. Leave these settings as they are. You have to have this much memory and 2 CPUs to install Windows 11. You can cut that down later. This is fine. Click Next. And check this out, make sure it's right. Well, yep, it's good. So we click Finish. Well, we've created a brand new physical computer that we bought online or on eBay. Now we need to load an operating system. If we turn on the computer, the physical device, which is what we're doing right now, we're turning on the physical device, the BIOS, basic input-output statement, is going to check and see, hey, do I have a processor? Do I have a video card? Do I have, I don't have an operating system. I'm going to stop at this point. Well, we have to go find an operating system. My file downloaded pretty quick, so it's done already. So I'm going to click here and go to Other and browse to where the file is. So I'm going to click this. And where's my downloads folder? There it is. That's my guy. Double click on that. That has a big long file name, but that's Windows 11. So click Mount and retry boot. So basically we have turned it off, turned it back on again. We press any key to boot from DVD or boot from CD, and it's going to launch the installation process. Here we are. Move this up a little bit. That looks good. Click Next. We are going to install now. We have to agree the software license terms. In this class, we're never going to do an upgrade because almost always we're going to be installing in a virtual machine from scratch. So we're almost always going to do custom, the bottom one. Our drive is empty. Click Next. And this is going to go for a while. It'll go faster or slower depending on your computer. This runs faster here at home because my computer at home is faster than the ones in the lab in D1. You no longer need the CD inserted. So remove the disk from the virtual drive. That way you're not apt to accidentally start reinstalling again. Yes, we are in the United States, or at least I am. US keyboard. Nope. We don't want to use a Microsoft account. We're going to go to Sign In Options. We're going to do a domain join instead, which allows us to have a local user. Our local user is going to be called user. We're going to use our standard password 01 that we use for all of our labs. It doesn't matter what you answer for the security questions. If something goes wrong with your virtual machine, we will just reinstall it. So I'm just putting in some random letters and words. And we'll just keep clicking Next, Accept. It'll take a few moments for Windows to log into the desktop. Here we are at the desktop. Let's make our Windows a little more compatible with VirtualBox. We're going up to the Devices menu. We're going to insert the Guest Edition CD image. If you double-click File Explorer, or click File Explorer, here is the CD drive that was inserted. We are looking for, there it is, VBox Windows Edition AMD 64. That's the 64-bit version. Now we go ahead and say yes. This is going to install a little helper software so Windows 11 is more compatible with VirtualBox. This won't take very long. Once that's done, go ahead and click Finish to restart. If you click on the screen, it'll allow you to log in with our password 01. Oh. There, I think I got it that time. Now, to allow Windows to resize easily to fit my screen, I'm going to go to View, Auto Resize Guest Display, and then I'm going to turn it back on. That usually allows you to make your windows whatever size you want. In this case, I can make it the same size as my screen recording software. All right. So now we go ahead and go to Start and shut down your virtual machine just like it's a real computer. So we'll go to Shut Down. A couple other settings we're going to change. We're going to change our network access so that it's connected directly to our network. For many of the labs that we do, we need that direct connection. Going to right-click on Windows 11, go to Settings. Here's one of the optimization settings. Turn that guy on. Go down to Network. Right now we're attached to a NAT, which means that we're behind a firewall with our virtual machine. The bridged adapter means that our Windows 11 virtual machine connects right up to our regular local network as though it was part of the local network. So we go ahead and click OK. And start it up again. Now don't forget to remove the drive from your virtual disk, the guest editions, because we don't need it anymore. Let's go ahead and log in. And there we are. We have a fully functioning virtual machine. Everything should work fine.